Turkey has taken another major step in advancing its unmanned combat capabilities with the latest flight test of the upgraded Bayraktar AKINCI, the country's most powerful combat drone. Developed by Baykar Technologies, this latest AKINCI variant represents a significant upgrade in performance, the autonomy, and weapons integration, cementing Turkey's position among the world's elite drone powers. Already one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in service, the Bayraktar AKINCI has undergone a comprehensive system overhaul in its latest modernization program. Engineers at Baykar focused on improving engine performance, electronic warfare resilience, flight endurance, and precision strike capabilities. According to defense sources, the upgraded AKINCI, often referred to as the AKINCI Block 2 Plus, features more powerful twin turboprop engines, producing greater thrust and enhanced operational capabilities. Enhanced radar and electronic warfare systems capable of detecting, tracking, and jamming enemy threats. Expanded weapons integration now supports a wide range of Turkish-made smart munitions, including the MAM-T, SAM-A cruise missiles, Gökdoğan air-to-air missiles, and Gazap bunker buster bombs. The latest test, conducted at the Çorlu Airfield Command in northwestern Turkey, demonstrated the enhanced capabilities of the upgraded drone. AKINCI successfully completed several flight tests involving long-range navigation, high-altitude operations, and simulated precision strikes. Observers reported flawless communication between the drone and its ground control station, as well as impressive target accuracy using an advanced targeting pod developed by Aselsan. Baykar engineers also confirmed that the upgraded AI flight control system allows AKINCI to make tactical decisions in real time under simulated combat pressure. The full upgrade of the Bayraktar AKINCI marks a significant milestone in Turkey's vision to develop a fleet of advanced, fully autonomous UAVs. AKINCI, capable of flying at altitudes exceeding 40,000 feet and carrying a payload of over 1,500 kilograms, bridges the gap between conventional drones and manned combat aircraft. This upgraded variant is also designed for joint operations with Turkey's upcoming KAAN stealth fighter and the new TB3 naval drone, enabling advanced, network-centric warfare where drones, ships, and aircraft communicate seamlessly on the battlefield. Since its introduction, the Bayraktar AKINCI has attracted the attention of many countries looking to modernize their air forces at a lower cost. With this latest upgrade, the drone's performance now rivals that of its Western and Chinese counterparts, while maintaining a cost-effective and battle-tested platform. Defense experts predict that the upgraded AKINCI could become one of Turkey's top defense exports, following the global success of the Bayraktar TB2. Countries in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East have already shown interest in the new model. Baykar's Chief Technology Officer, Selçuk Bayraktar, described the upgraded AKINCI as a symbol of Turkish engineering excellence and determination, emphasizing that every component, from the engine to the software, is the result of local innovation and hard work. This achievement demonstrates Turkey's transformation from a defense importer to a leader in next-generation autonomous systems. The test of the fully upgraded Bayraktar AKINCI marks the beginning of a new phase in the evolution of Turkish air power, combining advanced AI, superior range, and versatile strike capabilities. This drone embodies Turkey's ambition to achieve technological independence and global defense leadership. As the upgraded AKINCI soars into the sky, it carries not only cutting-edge weapons, but also the bold vision of a nation shaping the future of modern warfare. Turkey's defense industry continues to evolve into a global powerhouse, and at the center of this transformation is the Bayraktar AKINCI, a next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, that has redefined the boundaries of drone warfare. Following its full upgrade, the AKINCI has evolved from a formidable UAV into one of the world's most advanced and intelligent aerial platforms, combining stealth, autonomy, and firepower in a single system. one of the defining elements of the AKINCI's sophistication is its suite of artificial intelligence-driven avionics. This upgraded system enables the drone to autonomously detect, identify, and track multiple targets, process flight data in real time, and make tactical adjustments mid-mission. Its AI-assisted flight control system enables safe, autonomous takeoff, cruise, and landing, even in challenging environments or combat conditions. The drone can autonomously avoid threats, manage payload configurations, and optimize flight paths for stealth or energy efficiency. The upgraded AKINCI is equipped with Aselsan's advanced ASA radar, SAR GMTI radar, and electro-optical targeting system, providing 360-degree battlefield awareness. These sensors enable precision target acquisition at long ranges, day or night, in all weather conditions. The AKINCI also features an electronic warfare and signals intelligence SIGINT ELINT suite, allowing it to disrupt enemy communications, detect enemy radars, and even serve as a flying command node in network-centric operations. The full upgrade of the AKINCI has transformed it into a true multi-role airstrike platform. With a payload capacity exceeding 1,500 kilograms, it can carry a variety of Turkish-made smart munitions, including this weapon versatility allows the AKINCI to perform various roles in air dominance, close air support, strategic strike, and surveillance in a single mission. The upgraded AKINCI features an advanced data link network that enables communication with drones, ships, and other aircraft, including the KAAN stealth fighter and Turkey's upcoming Bayraktar TB3 naval drone. This interconnected system enables seamless coordination of drone swarms and joint force missions, forming a complete air combat ecosystem. Furthermore, its satellite control system, SATCOM, gives AKINCI global operational reach, enabling remote control and coordination far beyond line of sight, feature few countries possess. Every part of the upgraded AKINCI, from its flight algorithms to its weapon systems, is 100% developed in Turkey, representing the country's strategic independence in defense technology. The drone's sophistication lies not only in its hardware, but also in the local innovation ecosystem it embodies. The Bayraktar AKINCI's sophistication, after its full upgrade, lies in its combination of intelligence, precision, and autonomy. It is not just a combat UAV, but a strategic aerial asset capable of reshaping modern warfare through information dominance and intelligent lethality.